Froggy.
Oh,
That's all right, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. Hope I didn't show too much plumber's crack there. You come out fishing to enjoy nature, and then you throw your fishing line all over the ground. Don't be a slob. And pick up your fishing line, because this is what happens. This bird was snared over there and would have been dead in another day or so.
is he playing dead?
Yeah.
Oh. Let go of your wing, buddy. You'll be fine.
All right. Let me get you better untangled then if you're going to just sit there. Oh, he's all kinds of tied up.
Yeah, he must have been pecking at it for a while.
I wish I had some scissors, which I don't. One thing you want to do if you're ever rescuing a bird like this, keep in mind that birds have very
You were going to say
Oh, my
fragile,
goodness. Oh, my
fragile
goodness.
legs.
Ow. Why are you biting me? I'm trying to help you out, buddy.
You don't know that.
I know. What is it? Oh, it's wrapped all around your wings. There he goes. So pick up your fishing line, people. There's no reason to leave this stuff laying around. It's a menace to the animals, and be a steward of the land.
Absolutely.
And tune in next time for more action. Later.